Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Audi Q5, 2018 to 2020? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Cockpit fuse panel. Cockpit fuse panel in the 2018 to 2020. Audi Q5 manages and protects essential interior electronics. It powers systems like the digital instrument cluster, MMI infotainment, and climate control. This panel ensures the safe and stable operation of key cockpit functions. Footwell fuse panel. The Footwell fuse panel in the Audi Q5, 2018 to 2020, is located near the driver's foot area behind a trim panel. It protects circuits for interior systems like power windows, lighting, climate control, and infotainment. This panel ensures safe and stable operation of key cabin electronics. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2020 Audi Q5 is located behind the right side trim panel of the cargo area. It protects circuits for rear functions like the power tailgate, trailer module, rear lights, and parking sensors. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.